The last thing that I want to talk about in this video is the symbols panel. The symbols panel is right here. Looks like a club from a deck of cards, and this has symbols in it. We have a symbol library down here, the same as we had a brushes library and swatches libraries. Symbols are basically pre-drawn artwork that act in a different way than most artwork. So you see I just dragged down this paint splotch symbol, and there it is. Now, I cannot really edit this as a symbol. I can't change the color of it. I can't get rid of certain parts of it because it is a symbol. If I want to break it from being a symbol, then I can edit it. So right here I would click break link right up here in the control panel. And now I've got my normal controls and I can change the color. Okay? Or I could edit it, but it would change it permanently in my symbol library. Now I'm going to show you how to make a symbol so you can see why that might be useful. I'm going to make a symbol that looks like a little the sign they use for selling real estate. Let's go here to our rectangle tool, and we will make that. And we're going to go to my add anchor point tool, and I'm going to go ahead and make an anchor point right there and drag that out like so. So here I have my little flag type symbol. I want to make this a symbol, so I'm going to select it and I'm going to come up here to where it says new symbol. Now it says, how do you want the symbol to be? The only thing you really need to worry about is registration. This decides on what point it rotates. These 9 boxes represent the 9 squares around the edges in the center. I want this to rotate on that point, so I'm going to select the center left side box. And then do I want to enable guides for 9 slide scaling? That means you could stretch it longwise and it wouldn't distort it. For something like this, this is a good thing to do. It basically makes it so each section, each square here stretches on its own. So I'm going to say OK to that. And then OK. And now here's my symbol. Now, here's why this is useful. I can put this symbol in as many places as I want. So let's say that I'm doing a website and I have 3 of these. So this is a great thing for things like buttons on websites or any sort of other repetitive element. So here I've got my 3 of them. You'll notice when I rotated them, they rotated by the point just like I wanted them to. Now this one I want to have orange. So I'm going to go and click it and say break the link, and I'm going to change it to be orange. So now I'm thinking, okay, I'm done. But now my client comes back to me and says, actually, these purple ones, I don't want them purple anymore. I want them red. So in order to do that, I want to edit my actual symbol. So I'm going to double click the symbol over there. And you can see it's taken me to the actual symbol itself. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to make it red. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Escape to get out of this. And you'll notice that my symbol over here in the symbols panel is now red, and every instance of that symbol that I placed is red as well. So by changing the symbol, I can automatically change every single instance of it. I could have added another point, could have changed the shape entirely, and everywhere where I had it would change as well. So that's the advantage of symbols. It allows you to quickly make edits to repetitive elements that will change all instances of that element.